Hi guys, welcome to the video. In this one I'm going to be cleaning the engine bay of my Volkswagen Vento. So I first start off by bagging up any areas of the engine that are a bit more sensitive to water, like the alternator and the air filter. So then I spray the engine down with degreaser. I spray this from multiple different angles to make sure that I get everything covered. Then it's time to agitate the degreaser. For this I use a selection of different wheel brushes. Now it's time to jet wash off all of the degreaser. When I'm across the top of the actual engine and anywhere sensitive, I just tend to quickly move the jet wash so I don't end up forcing too much water into whatever I'm pointing at. So with all the degreaser washed off, it's time to dry the engine, ready for a trim dressing. So I just use a trim dressing here, and what I do is work it in with a microfiber cloth. So that's the engine all cleaned. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.